If your phone still makes you tap OK after entering your PIN, you can remove that. Here's how. Before you start, there's one important thing to know. This only works if your PIN is at least 6 digits long. If it's shorter than that, the option won't appear. Now, open Settings and scroll down to go Security and Privacy. Then tap Lock Screen and enter your current PIN. Then choose None. Now, create a new PIN again, go to Lock Screen, tap PIN here, enter a new 6-digit PIN. Once you do that, you should see an option that says Confirm PIN without tapping OK. Turn that on. Then tap Continue. Now, enter the same PIN again to confirm it, and that's it. From now on, your phone will unlock automatically as soon as you enter the last digit. No extra taps needed. Thanks.